what I'm gonna make for you today is my Peri Peri chicken with Peri Peri pearl couscous and mushy minty peas. We're gonna build the marinade by roasting peppers and onions, garlic, quickly. So let's start with the pepper. So I like to just lop off this end here, right? Break this in half, throw it on the pan. Now you have this inside. Just kind of rip those things out, give it a couple taps. And now with the flat side down, I can quarter it, just like that. Next comes the onion. We're just gonna cut it in half. Get aggressive. Get in there and just peel it back. I'm gonna gently cut into quarters. This is gonna be for our couscous. We're gonna save that. I'm going to take these peppers. One more thing, some garlic. Get your thumb in there and break off what we need. Okay, we're gonna slice this root end off, just like that. Little tap, and now we grab that little pointer end and it comes off. Oil is magical, especially with the quick roast. Couple pinches of salt in here, right? And pepper, just like that. Give it a little shake. It's going in the oven, 425, till it starts looking roasted. Let's continue on with the mise en place for the couscous while that's roasting. We're gonna use that half of the onion, remember, for later. Not all the way through, sliding my knife. Slicing like that. And dicing. Horizontal, vertical, and then back to vertical. Now this is going directly into our deli cup. Now again, the first move. Lop that off. Yep, just take it out. Cutting these ends off. Hold it, take that knife, and just give it a little slice. Now we can cut these into little planks, right? Now I'm gonna dice them. Know that this is ready to go. Now we can get to the dirty business. I like to start this little kind of armpit. We're gonna slowly slice, just like that. Take your knife and follow that line. Keep that right there. Crunch through. This is the breastplate, right? Give it a little thwack, and then you take your palm. Give it a little, go ahead and use your shears. Like, that's perfect right there. So right in here, right? You can do this hot. All that liquid, that's all flavor, guys. We're gonna put this on here. Take your towel, because it is a hot stuff. Keep it on there. Jam it on. You need the vinegar in this. It ties it all together. It's so important. Brown sugar, dried oregano, in there. Smoked paprika, whole lemon. Just want all those flavors to come together. Put that right in there. Zip it up, massage it. Coat the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. We're gonna gently salt. Let's get it in the oven, medium high. Once it kind of comes to heat, right, our peppers, and we're gonna sweat this. I'm gonna season it now. Now we have the base liquid, which is good old chicken stock, right? Right over the peppers and the onions in the oil. Now we'll add our couscous. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. We need a green, a proper green, right? Our butter. This will go in your pan, ready to go. So a couple pinches. Next, I'm going to take half of my peas. Add this, all right? These are mushy peas, salted peas. We can take this off the heat now. That's how quick this is, right? Pour it in here, mush it up using this little biscuit cutter. You know, so it's mushy. I'm just gonna put this in here, give this a little toss in the residual heat of this. Now we can add this, and now it's ready for our herbs. Now we're gonna take just a couple, right, leaves, mint leaves, stack them like this, okay? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna roll it up. We're using the rocking motion of that knife. Quick, close cuts is possible. You have this beautiful ribbon. It's gonna go right in our peas. We're gonna take a paper towel. We're gonna put a good amount of vegetable oil on the metal, all around, that will keep the chicken from sticking. I know where this chicken's gonna land. I have a space for it. So I like to give a peek just to see how it's moving along. Maybe give it a little turn. And then we're gonna rough chop the parsley, roll them almost in a tight little bundle again. So now I'm gonna do the same kind of cuts and then go up and down like that. Right in there. Salt, pinch of pepper, that'll be good to go. Now let's plate. Beautiful color. Look at that. Boom. We'll top this with a little fresh parsley. Just give it a little. And there you have it.